Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, barefaced as the day I was born, welcoming you to Rhonda Said. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Today I am trying some new products for my complexion. I don't even have primer on. We're going to do everything. A whole get ready with me. And we're going to start with some Ritual Defy Thorn Oil. And this is a fantastic priming oil. And it's very aromatic. It smells fantastic. And I just put a little bit on. Even though it is blood red, it goes on clear. It is very nice. I don't know if you should use it if you have oily skin because it's an oil, but I've got normal complexion and this is just gorgeous. It's like blood red. How can you not love that this time of year? For real. And then I am trying a new color of the Charlotte Tilbury amazing new Radiant Concealer, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. The one I had before was a little too fair, so this one is in 4 Pale or 4 Fair, and the other one I had was in 1 Fair, and it was like almost white. And I'm very pale, but I'm not that pale. But I like how the concealer works on my skin. So, and I also use concealer as a primer for eyeshadow. That looks much more like my complexion. Just tapping it on some red spots. And I love to use my concealer brush from Cover FX and just carve out my eyebrows and conceal all the funky colors that exist on my skin. Because I do have some pretty dark circles and redness on my lids. And this is just a fantastic concealer, and this really blends into my skin color much more so than the other one that was really super fair, much more fair than this. And that looks fantastic. Now I'm going to try the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation, and I am using this in, what is the color? It is 040 Fair Neutral. I like to go neutral with my foundations. This bottle is luxurious. It feels very expensive. I had like $10 off that I could coupon that I could use at Sephora. I'll pump some on the back of my hand. And it's supposed to have medium coverage. And it's like a very light consistency. I like to rub it all over my face. This is my first time ever using it, so this is my inaugural launch of using this foundation, and it is just going on like butter. If butter was the color of my skin, this is a really good match for my complexion. of blend it in with my concealer. Make sure I cover the brows. And this is a really nice coverage of my skin. I'm really happy with how it looks so far. Then I'm going to use my Tatcha, the silk powder, to set my face. And that looks seamless. It looks very nice. I'm very excited about how it looks. So next we're going to do bronzer. And I'm going to use my Cover FX Sun-Kissed Bronze, which I use constantly. I still haven't even hit pan. I've been using it forever. This powder is going on this foundation so nicely. I like to put it like my face is a little sun-kissed, and chisel out my chin, so I have one chin instead of like 1.5 chins. And I'm going to now do my brows. Let's see, where's my brow product that I like? Well, this is the brow definer from Anastasia in medium brown. I always carve out the edge of my eyebrow first, so then it's got a place to go. And my eyebrows were microbladed a few years ago. And those look like good sister brows, not twins. And I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Blush and Glow Trio Galactic Sun. And I'm going to go in with this pink mauve color. It's a very nice natural kind of color. That looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And now we're going to do some eyeshadow with Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. These are great little 9-pan palettes. And it's super pretty. And I think I'll be able to make a pretty nice look with this. And it goes great with my hair, you know. Getting ready to hang out with some of my lady friends. And we all love to look our best with the lady friends. So I'm going to go in here with this purple matte. It's very pigmented. Gonna put it in the crease. And that goes really well with my hair. That is really crazy how it matches my hair. so pretty. And that's what we're all about, is doing some pretty looks today. I'm gonna now go into, it's so hard to, I'm gonna go into this purple shimmer here, because it's all amethyst and purple colors. That's very pretty. I'm just trying to do a simple look today. I'm not getting too fancy. Now I'm going to go in with my finger to this lightest color. Go into the inner corner. And that really brightens the eye up quite a bit. Now we're going to do some mascara. Oh, it looks like my brow is a little patchy. A little patchy. Let's fix it real quick. There we go. And now we're going to do some mascara and liner. I'm going to use the Il Makiage eyeliner. And that is just gorgeous. And I'm going to use the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara for my lashes. This is a pretty new mascara to me. I've only used it a handful of times. A lot of times tubing mascaras will give you length but not volume, and this one does both. It's hard to talk and do mascara. Got a little mascara under my eye, but I can fix that with a Q-tip. Now I just swished it on my thumb. But the formula is really nice and it doesn't flake. And a handy dandy Q-tip. Cleans that right up. I could use a little highlight. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath palette again and use this highlight, which is called Divine Golden Nectar. Let me see. Here's a nice little highlight brush. Oh, that's a nice glow. That is gorgeous. Now for my mouth, the mouth of the South, I'm going to put on a happy face. I'm going to use Super Stay Matte Ink number 15 in Lover. Which is a perfect color for this. And that looks fantastic. And here we are with a whole new look with the Haus Labs foundation, the wonderful concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I feel fresh as a daisy and ready to partay. And I'm going to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.